Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga po.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Only that one I know because I'm Brother Ricardo. I'm from Indonesia. So, welcome. What is your name? Mariga. Okay, thank you. Alright. So, it is a joy to celebrate Christmas, am I right?
Yes.
And of course, it is joy to having you this morning. Okay, give a round of applause. Okay. Thank you, your principal. Mom, thank you for presenting them with your students, along with your teachers, of course, the parents. So, it is a joy to have you this morning, as I said. It's a blessing for us, especially for the beneficiaries, because indeed we need a generous people to help us in our needs every day of our life. So without you, we can't accommodate these people here, the residents. We have 38 residents, kids and the lolos. So the category of people here is, of course, abandoned, neglected by their own families, and PWD, cerebral palsy. So as you can see, the kids, most of them are in the wheelchairs. And the lolos, some of them are in wheelchairs. Most of them are citizens, senior citizens. So we are missionaries of poor. Our work is to render corporal works of mercy, to render service to the needs of our brothers and sisters. So to fulfill the gospel said, whatever you do to the least of my brothers and sisters, you do it unto me. So you do it today for God. So again, maraming salamat in behalf of our superior here, Brother Albert, and myself, and the rest of the brothers, of course, the lolos and the kids, and the house parents or the staff. We want to say thank you. Thank you for your generosity. Okay. So wishing you Merry Christmas in advance, Happy New Year, and prosperity. We enjoy the Christmas you have. You are very talented in dance. I can't dance like that, you know. So thank you, students, for giving your talent very nice this morning. Okay? So thank you so much. So one thing that I want to say to you, students, you have a privilege to study, you know, right? You see these people, have their privilege? Nah. Only we have two, Jeremy and Angel. Those are PWD, they go to school. The rest of them, nah. Why? The conditions. Some of them they can't talk, some of them cannot write, some of them cannot hear. So you are privileges. So pursue your study. And when be good as a Samaritan. Be good to the people. Caring, sharing. So that's the need in the world today. Caring and sharing. So that's the only thing that I want to say to you students. So be privileged. If the parents support you, then pursue your study. Study well.